China snowstorm, record-breaking extreme blizzard pummels region in freak weather event. Cities across China have experienced record-breaking snowfall as extreme and deadly blizzards continue to lash the country. An extreme snowstorm is wreaking havoc across northeastern China, as record-breaking blizzards sweep across the region. Meteorologists studying the snowstorm claim it was an extremely random and sudden extreme weather event, according to the BBC. One city in China, Shenyang, experienced its highest amount of snow in 116 years. Shenyang, in the Liaoning province, was submerged after the average snowfall reached 51 centimeters, 20 inches. This marks the highest recorded snowfall since 1905. Large parts of Inner Mongolia have also been cut off as heavy snow left one person dead and affected more than 5,600 people. A total of 27 red alerts were issued across Inner Mongolia and northeastern China, the highest warning alert for snowstorms. Meteorological researchers in the city of Tongliao told the state-run outlet The Global Times that the snowstorm was a freak event. BBC Weather tweeted, "Heavy snowstorm has pummeled China's northeastern region, bringing some areas to a standstill. Snow easing next couple of days."